How to fix unable to pinch in or pinch out to zoom in on conversation text on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Make sure you are back in the messages list and tap on your profile icon in the search bar. Then from the pop-up, tap on Messages Settings. Now in here, go down and make sure you turn on Pinch to Zoom Conversation Text. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once that is turned on, now we go back to Messages list and then open up a text conversation. And in here, you can now pinch out to zoom in, or you can pinch in to zoom out in the conversation text. And that's it. So you can see the text size has increased and you can also decrease it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.